how to fix Tintin app not working. Now Tintin app is another of one of the social media apps where you can connect to different people and make new friends. So I'll teach you guys how to fix the app not working. So first things first, make sure that it is updated to its latest version. So just go to your app store and search for Tintin and just check if it's updated to its latest version. Now if it is updated to its latest version, open it up, and if it still does not work, you can tap on the settings icon on the top left and scroll down under the danger zone. Now open danger zone, and there you will be able to see three different options. One is to log out, and another is to delete account, and another is to close this pop-up. Now here what you'll need to do is just tap on log out and just log back in. Now after doing that, you should be able to use Tintin normally, but if that does not work, maybe you can just try to uninstall this app and reinstall it, and that should fix your problem. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to this channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.